How to fix Roblox game client is not responding 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Roblox game client is not responding 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is to just click on this Roblox player, then right click on it, then click on properties, and then from in here you can see the shortcut. So what you need to do is to just click on this run, and then make sure to just click on this minimized. Then after you have done that, just head over to compatibility, and then from in there you can just head over to run this program in compatibility mode 4 and just select Windows 7 from the list. Then after you have done that, just make sure to tick this disable full screen optimization and just run this program as an administrator. Now what you need to do next is just click on this run compatibility troubleshooter, and then this will detect the problems that you have on your Roblox. So what you need to do is to just wait for it to detect the problems on your Roblox, and they will recommend a suggestion for you that is the best settings in order to open Roblox successfully. So just try this recommended settings and then click on next, and then click on next again. You can just test the program, and after you have tested it, you can now continue. So that's all process. I hope this video helped you to fix Roblox game client is not responding 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.